Hi, my name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited that you're joining me today as I give you a little bit of information about my just released Trekking Along card class to go. So we will be featuring the Trekking Along stamp set and punch, coordinating punch. These come in a bundle, or you can purchase them separately from Stampin' Up! So currently you'll see if you were to go into the online store today, which is September 27th, you cannot order the bundle as a bundle because the punch is currently not orderable. It should be back in stock around October 9th-ish. I do have an option on this class that you could add the bundle to your kit. This is one of those things that if I can't get it, I will close that off. But since it is expected in, anybody that goes ahead and adds that to their kit, I will be watching that like a hawk to make sure you get your bundle. So let me tell you a little bit about the class. So it's going to come with 5 cut kits for you. Everything is punched and die cut, set up for you, except for what needs to be punched out with the Trekking Along Builder Punch. But everything else I do for you and get it ready for you. So you're going to get a pack of designer series paper, a spool of linen thread, and some embellishments that you'll have plenty to use for your projects, but then you'll have plenty left over to create additional. So that is super fun. I don't cut the designer paper so that you can customize your projects to be what you want them to be and use the prints that you prefer. You know, it's a personal opinion of what everybody is drawn to. So I want you to have that flexibility to make those, customize those cards to be your own. So you want to see a sneak peek of each of the projects that we're making? Let me show you. So I tried to come up with ideas that would take you throughout any time of the year. So we've got, this is our first one. And you can go in any order. It might not be in that order in the tutorial, right? This will be the second one. And then we've got a little snow globe. This one's a gift card holder. So we do have some Christmas specific, but then we have some that could go for other types of celebrations as well. So you will get a full color PDF tutorial with all the instructions in it. And I'll also do a video overview with some tips and tricks because we're going to do some masking and some other things that I want to share some tips with you on this stamp set. For those of you that are excited about this class, and go ahead and get your class reservation scheduled and paid for, if you do that by the end of this week, which is September 30th, yes, by Saturday. If you do it by Saturday, I will also include a bonus project in there. I taught this on my live this week. Actually, it was yesterday. So a jumbo tag. So you'll get consumable supplies to also make the jumbo tag if you go ahead and do your class reservation this week. So I'm putting a little extra bonus in there for those that register early. So fun. So class registration will close October 14th, I believe is what it is. It's a Saturday. And I hope that you'll join me for this fantastic class. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and I will do the best that I can to answer them. Thank you so much and bye for now.